Refer to Section 6 of the construction guide. In this section we will cover the construction of the inner bed frame. The inner bed frame consists of 2 frame sides parts AB, and 4 to 6, L-shaped, frame struts depending on the bed size. Note: the number of frame struts will vary for each of the horizontal bed sizes. The vertical Murphy beds will equally have 6 frame struts. The inner bed frame is constructed out of solid wood using 1x2s. You can use pine or any other type of solid wood. Remember that 1x2s are actually 3/4 inch by 1.5. 1x2s are available from your local hardware store or lumber store. Home Depot and Lowe's usually has a good selection of solid wood you can use to build the inner bed frame. You can also build the bed frame using plywood, by simply cutting the leftover plywood into 1.5 inch wide strips. Refer to the cutting guide to see if you will have enough plywood left over, after cutting all the bed parts, that you can use to build the bed frame. Start by running a bead of wood glue on one of the 1x2 as you see here. Now join the 2 1x2s to resemble an L. Make sure the 2 pieces are flush with each other. Use 2 wood clamps to clamp the 2 pieces together. You might have to make small adjustments if the wood is not perfectly straight. Drive a 2-inch long wood screw, 3 to 4 inches away from each end of the frame strut. Make sure the screws are flush. Now drive a 2-inch long wood screw, every 7 to 10 inches. Remove the clamps, and repeat the same process until you have built the required number of frame struts for the size of Murphy bed you are building. Grab the 2 frame sides parts AB, and join them together making sure both ends are flush. Refer to Section 6 of the construction guide, for the proper spacing for the frame struts. This will vary for each bed size. Starting at one end, measure and mark the equal spacing for the frame struts on the bed sides parts AB. You may use a carpenter square to help you mark the frame sides. Now it's time to attach the frame struts to the frame sides. Lay the frame sides on your working surface, or any convenient flat surface, and align the frame struts with the pencil marks on the frame sides. Run a small bead of wood glue on the end of the frame strut. Join the frame strut with the frame side, making sure they are flush. It is best to mark the frame side with a pencil, making sure the pencil marks are aligned with the center of the frame strut. Drive a 2-inch wood screw through the frame side into the frame strut where you place the pencil marks. Repeat the same process until you have attached the remaining frame struts to the 2 frame sides. The construction of the inner bed frame is now complete.